Okay, we're going live now on YouTube. Thank you so much, Budistelo, for joining in today on the Zoom. My name is Ustubuluza Umampenza Inyatimnyama. I am a crypto enthusiastic. I'm from South Africa. I started the crypto world back in 2014, and I started exploring more about Bitcoin when it was fairly at around 5,000 rands per Bitcoin. But what I fell in love with in terms of the blockchain system or the crypto world was the fact that you can be able to make money just by holding the coin, which is staking. So many people have heard about cryptocurrency, and they've they've seen cryptocurrency, but they're very skeptical because they don't understand the fundamentals of why and when crypto was introduced, for what reason. So the first cryptocurrency that was actually first introduced was Bitcoin. The first Bitcoin was at 4 cents. It was introduced by Santosh. But I'll take you. I don't want to just want to run through the intro and then move forward. So now we know that Bitcoin is over 500,000. But when it was first introduced, one Bitcoin was 4 cents. Some of the people that are investors of today, like myself, were able to buy lots of Bitcoin at 4 cents, maybe 4 Bitcoins, 2 or 3. And some were skeptical because investors, they usually put in their money in something that is determined to grow along the way. But at a very high risk, you buy that cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. So Santosh was actually introducing a form of a decentralized money system because digital currency is functioning on a computer blockchain system whereby it's confirmed through a computer system. You can send money to anyone in the world and be able to receive money from anyone in the world any second, anytime without having to pay for foreign exchange. So that was basically how cryptocurrency was founded in order to close the gap that is caused by so many stakeholders, that is caused by so many middlemen that are able to charge when you're sending money from one person to another in any country or anywhere in the world. So the only difference about digital currency is that you can download the app and you can be able to buy it from your fingertips. Unlike whereby fiat currency, which is country currencies such as the rand, the dollar, the pound, the euro, the pula, you actually have to um, have a way whereby you have to go to a bank and the bank charges you fees if you want to save your money and all that and all that. I hope you can hear me, but I don't know if we live yet. I think we are live.
Yes, we are live, and I can follow you. I'm following.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So basically now with cryptocurrencies, not only just Bitcoin boomed, other cryptocurrencies, there's different types. I'll just share my screen quickly so that you're able to see while I take you through different types of other cryptocurrencies that are out there. So usually the most easiest app that I use is called CoinGecko. You can download CoinGecko on your app store or anywhere where you want to download CoinGecko. So you can see on CoinGecko, they're able to show you different types of coins. When you see now, there is so many coins that are there, and they come with their own different types of value. And in terms of the market cap, you're able to see how many coins are there. So I don't know, but I'm just going to come back to what I said. Country currencies, fiat currency like the rand, the dollar, the pounds, the pula, the yen, all these other currencies, the naira, those other currencies that are there out there.
You're still there?
Like how much money?
Okay, you had a sorry, sorry.
I had
your net.
I broke
Yeah,
network.
Yes, if you could take just two
You couldn't
steps
hear me.
backwards. Yes, I can hear you. First, take 2 steps back, and
Okay.
then yeah. Thanks. Sorry for that.
Okay, my dear. So I was talking about there's different types of cryptocurrencies that are there. I think it's now ranking and close to over 100 other cryptocurrencies or tokens, because there's a difference between in cryptocurrency. They grow in terms of their growth. They grow based on supply and demand. When we talk about supply and demand, we're referring to the more people are buying that cryptocurrency, the more people are able to invest and buy that cryptocurrency, is the more value it gains. You understand? So the more people that were buying Bitcoin, when it started off, it was only one Bitcoin was 4 cents. So investors started buying Bitcoin because they had hoped that Bitcoin is going to boom and it's going to be more expensive and they're going to be able to make more interest out of buying and holding Bitcoin. So the investors who bought Bitcoin when it was 4 cents, and today it's over 700,000 one Bitcoin. If they bought 5 or 10 or 15 or 20, or one person bought one Bitcoin, today there are millionaires and billionaires of investors that are out there. So I just wanted to explain the basic fundamentals of cryptocurrency so that you understand what is cryptocurrency about. And then if you're coming as an investor, how do you hold the cryptocurrency? Which one should you buy? And how do you stand to gain from buying the cryptocurrency? Are we together now? Can you hear me? I think the network breaks up there and there.
We are following.
So otherwise, now we're talking. Okay, thank you. Let me continue then, my leader. So now what is happening is lots of other apps are coming through. There is different types of apps, but I'm just going to share my screen so that you're able to see first the cryptocurrencies and then I'll explain. So you can see why I said Bitcoin is ranking the highest is because one Bitcoin, as you can see, don't know if it's gonna load a bit faster or it's gonna take a bit of time because sometimes the network becomes very slow. So one Bitcoin is basically at 655. Just a few days ago, it just went down because just a few days ago, Bitcoin was sitting at 700,000 and above. So it means that the market does get a volatile, whereby it fluctuates in terms of prices all the time. On the market cap right now, we've got over 12, I don't know how many billions of crypto of Bitcoin that is there. When you check Ethereum value, you also see that Ethereum just a year ago, one Ethereum was around 1,600 rands. And I did also lose on Ethereum because I had a chance to invest and or hold Ethereum and wait until it was 50,000. Because I remember last year, I had around 22,000 worth of Ethereum because it was 1,200 or 1,600 rands. But I didn't hold it. And today it's sitting at 50,000 plus. So you can see other cryptocurrency like ADA is at 36.65 and the USDT is at 1422. The advantage of buying cryptocurrency when it's cheaper is the fact that when you buy it at a cheaper rate and you hold it, you're able to actually reap the rewards if it grows bigger and better. Because imagine if you bought USDT at 1422, then next year, 2022, one USDT becomes worth maybe 50,000, just making a very quick example. So there are other very popular coins like LTC. LTC is at 2639.62, which is Litecoin right now. I did say that the more people buy a cryptocurrencies, the more value it gains. Usually, the more the market is buying into the cryptocurrency, is the more it actually gains more power and it becomes more expensive. So I'm going to bounce back and just check if we're still together and not move too much. But I think we're still together because you did say you can hear me. Now,
Yes,
let's talk about staking.
We are together, but would you allow me
when
to
we
ask
talk about staking, I did share in the morning on the group.
Can you allow me
Thank
to
you,
ask
my leader. Thank you so much. Thank you. So when we talked about staking, I did share this.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please, you can ask a question.
Just a quick one. Just one
Sorry?
quick one. Sorry. A quick one. Sorry to divert you.
Yes, my leader. Yes, you can ask a quick question.
Okay.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. Okay. Here's the question. Do cryptocurrencies ever die? That is one. By dying, I mean get to a point where they are 0.00
and die. Okay.
By dying, I mean they become valueless, like 0.00. And then secondly, I remember a cryptocurrency they told me about when I was in Asia.
Okay, I can hear your first question is that do cryptocurrencies ever die or become valueless, but you're breaking on the second one.
Okay, yes. The second one is, I remember one coin they told me about when I was in Asia 2014. It's called Ripple. I don't know whether you have had time to look at it. Is it, if you do know about it, is it growing or what? But the major one is
Ripple,
yeah. That is one. That is the second one. Okay. The reason I'm asking the first question is because
you mean Ripple?
Yes, Ripple. RIPLE. You got me? Did you hear me?
Ripple is actually growing. It's really growing, but it's not it's growing steadily because I remember. Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, I remember I recently bought Ripple. It was 7 rands.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, I'm listening to you. I can hear you.
Yeah, okay, so let's maybe cover the first question, my leader.
Okay.
Okay, but please put also your questions. Can you put them on the chat? Can you put some of your questions on the chat? Because your line is breaking a bit. Okay, so your first question was, do cryptocurrencies ever die or do they ever lose value whereby they no longer have a good value? Yes, it happens. They don't die per se, but the market becomes volatile. Sometimes you find that a cryptocurrency, like, let's make an example of a very popular cryptocurrency that I'm just going to make an example of. A cryptocurrency like Tron, dApps also make the cryptocurrency gain more value because if there's an app or something, let me just look for Tron, for example, because it's constantly fluctuating in terms of value. I hope this opens. Okay. So basically, I'll make an example of a cryptocurrency like Tron. When it comes to Tron, when you press max there, you can see that the highest that it ever was 3 rand. Has never been higher than 3 rands, But there was a time whereby it came from 1 rand and it hit down to 0.5 cents. You understand? which means that fluctuation value on the market rank, each coin is going to be shown that each coin is number 29. For example, Tron is number 29. And how many market cap, meaning how many coins are there? There's around 95 millions or billions of Trons. And the trading volume, it will show that this is 23 million Trons are trading. And then it's going to show you on a 24-hour high, it was 1 Rand 34, and then on a 24-hour low, it was 1 Rand 29. And then it's going to show you the availability or the supply of those coins. And then when it comes to Tron, there's about 71.7 billion of Trons. And the total supply is 100.9 billion. And the highest it ever went was 2 Rand 85 cents. So each and every coin, you're able to see even the price charts, the exchanges where you can buy the coin, the portfolio, the info about the coin in terms of the homepage, the blockchain supply where you can be able to check it, and the chats, every single thing, and it's gonna show you the mission why that coin came through and how it came through and so far in terms of activities. So I won't say they do lose value. They do sometimes lose value, but because of the volatility, it sometimes goes up and down, up and down. There's always going to be a coin whereby you find that it comes at a very lower rate and then it goes very high. So it really, really basically depends on the performance of that coin. So far, I've never seen a coin that really, really crashed and actually died per se, but it's about volatility when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So I think the first question, I hope it's answered. I'm going to go to the chat now and check the second question. Okay, and then you were talking about UMI. I think you were talking about UMI as a second coin. Let me just check how much is UMI. Let's check on coin Gecko, say UMI. Don't know if it's going to show us how much UMI is right now. So like, for example, UMI is sitting at 1 Rand 42 cents. The max, when you check the max of UMI, the highest it ever was 10 rands. When you check information about the market cap rank, it doesn't specify yet. And then on the market cap, it doesn't show yet how many UMI coins are there. The trading volume, they're showing 40 rands, something. And then the highest it was 1 Rand 42 cents. The lowest it was 0.64 cents. Available supply, they won't specify total supply, which is something that is very important when it comes to a coin capability, is for you to understand how many coins are there. That such information is very important for you to know. So I'm gonna check repo also. Then we're gonna move on to the main presentation about Cexio. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Let me just say XRP because I know it is XRP. Yes, so XRP is really, really, 1 year ago, it was from 5 Rand to 30 Rand. It's been fluctuating. And 3 months ago, it came from 8 Rands to 12 Rand to 14 to 20 Rands. 1 minute ago, it's been fluctuating from 12, 14, 16, 18. And 7 days ago, when you check, it's been from 15 to close to 18 and over 20 rands. So if you check on the markets, you'll see that they're going to show you the trading volume, available supply. It doesn't show total supply. They're saying it's 10.0 million. All that information is very important, and then you're able to see what is happening and how it's happening. So I hope I pressed the right one. I think I pressed the wrong one. Let's see. Okay. So I think this is the right one because it's showing the market cap, the fully diluted valuation, the trading volume, the all-time high, and all that information. So I don't know. I'm just going to bounce back and check on the inbox if you did not put more information. I think you said you were going to add more. Okay. So now
No,
I'm going to...
I didn't. I
You
didn't.
didn't say?
Um, I didn't put any more questions. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go to the main presentation, as you were saying.
Okay. Okay. So let's just go to the main presentation and I will just summarize it shortly so that you're able to understand. So basically, Cexio is a company that focuses on the app. It's the app that is important. It's the Cexio app whereby you're able to buy and to trade and do a different variety of things. But I want to take it down to when did, the app actually starts existing. Cexio has been there since 2019. It's an app that is developed that allows you to be able to buy different types of coins. And in addition to that, you can be able to stake some of your coins or able to trade some of your coins, and you can be able to take loans from Cexio. Because you are here right now, I think I'll start with the loan. So I'll log into the account so that I'm able to show you to my account so that I'm able to show you how it works. So basically what you can do is go to the App Store and you basically need to, you need to go to your Google or Play Store where you can search you can request a person who is a member already to send you the link, or you can search Cexio and it's going to say Cexio.io cryptocurrency exchange, and then you're going to see cex.io, and then you're able to see an app like this. You can see from here that this is an app that you can trade in. You can be able to buy crypto. You can be able to deposit and withdraw at any times. You can be able to track the price of crypto exchanges. You can be able to take loans. You can be able to link your app and be able to do so many other amazing things. You can see the rating is really, really high in terms of the app. It's really, really doing the most. You can download it from any phone, or you can ask someone who's a friend to send you the link, or even anyone who's got the app, and or you can use my link if you're watching here on YouTube. So basically, it has different types of cryptocurrencies. How you can start is by going to fill in all your details and be able to then do a verification process. By doing a verification process, it means that you're verifying that this is who you are, this is your account, where you can put your ID and your proof of residence, which will allow you to have a higher daily withdrawal limit and a higher deposit limit on a daily basis. So it doesn't end there. You get a referral link as soon as you've downloaded the app. Even if you have not funded your account with funds, you can start referring people with your link and earn 30% of their exchange transaction fees, because that's the commission that you're able to earn. When you check under wallets there, you can see that under USD, you can be able to actually withdraw by adding your Visa card. You can just add new, then you add your card number and your expiry dates, and then you can be able to withdraw your funds anytime, which is simple and easy. And then the staking aspect of it, sorry, I don't want to cancel this. So the staking aspect of it is you can buy the coins that you can be able to stake. So which coins are we able to stake? Okay, before that, I'm going to just show you. Sorry, I'm just going to go through the WhatsApp because I think that is where I send so much information. So I think this morning I did just share some of the coins that a person can be able to stake. So for example, you can stake Polkadot, which is one of the coins. The value of Polkadot is 412.18 rands. sorry, 0.81 rands, you can be able to buy this coin and hold it, because when you're staking, you are buying a coin and you're holding it, and you're earning rewards for enabling the blockchain system to confirm all the payments. Because remember, with cryptocurrency, first of all, let me explain the benefits of cryptocurrency. Of staking. It's an easy way to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. You don't need any equipment for crypto staking like you would for crypto mining, because remember, when you are mining crypto, it means you need a lot of computer systems, you need a lot of software. You need to make sure that the place where you are mining is very cool. You need to make sure that where the country where you are mining, you pay a very high voltage electricity bill, because for you to mine cryptocurrency, you use a lot of electricity, because it means that the computers and the machines that are able to mine for you, they need to be consistently cooled, which means a better aircon system, and the electricity needs to be functioning at a very high voltage, which means you pay more when you are mining. But when you are staking, you are helping to maintain the security and efficiency of the blockchain. When we talk about security and efficiency of the blockchain, a blockchain system, that is where money is flowing from one computer, from one person, one account to another. So how are you helping? It's more by holding your coins, you're able to get rewards that during the time when you were holding your coins. Remember, when you're sending money to another person, there are fees. There are transactional fees for the exchange, which are merely not as high compared to the banks. But those fees, you are able to earn them as rewards for holding your cryptocurrency. It's like earning interest when you're saving money in a bank account. So you're helping to, it's more environmentally friendly than crypto mining, because with crypto mining, lots of machines, lots of things. If you can just Google how much money that you have to spend when you're buying a mining machine for crypto mining, you'll check that it's a hell of a lot of money. Like I checked last year, like I'll just say crypto, I think it was 100,000 mining machine software. Let me just say software. Sorry about that. Software. So when you are just mining, crypto mining software prices, let me just say machine prices. You can see how much it is. Like one in Alibaba is 50,462 rands, 0.58 cents plus tax. There's different types of crypto mining machines that are out there, but they require a lot of electricity. You need to pay someone who's very much experienced in terms of maintaining those machines. They need a very cold aircon system whereby it's going to be accommodative. And with the electricity here in our country, in South Africa, you can't be able to have such end miners, because you need to have a better cooling system. Electricity in South Africa, we're already having a lot of challenges with electricity issues. But it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money that is required for you to just buy a crypto miner. But for us to elaborate further, I just want to now explain why is Cexio better? Why is staking better? I was just about to explain. So staking is an alternative method of providing security, effectiveness to the blockchain network in exchange for an incentive and without wasting resources. It is based on the proof of stake consensus and I can't pronounce his name, algorithm, where instead of needing energy to create new blocks, it does it with a staked coins. So our coins on the system are able to ensure that the system is running smoothly in terms of payments, crypto money going from one point to another. So that is why we're earning rewards for that. So one of the biggest risks, though, with cryptocurrency staking is the volatility and that the prices could plunge. For example, if you're earning 20% in rewards for staking an asset, but it drops to 50% in value throughout the year, you will still make a loss. If you decide to stake, make sure you choose the assets carefully. That is why I actually first started by showing you different types of assets, showing you different types of cryptocurrencies, and showing you how to look at how it's moving, the markets, how many are on the market cap, that type of information, because that is how you're able to see the fluctuation value, the prices, and everything. And also you're able to see if you put in an alert whereby they're able to show you when Bitcoin drops, because most of other cryptocurrencies, they're also affected by the Bitcoin price. If you notice, every time Bitcoin drops lower, some of the cryptocurrencies are affected. So it's one of those things that people sometimes don't notice, that every time Bitcoin goes lower, other cryptocurrencies go higher. Usually when Bitcoins go lower, Ethereum goes higher, and other cryptocurrencies, they go lower. So it depends. So over and above that, now let's just summarize fast, not take longer. You can see it's almost, I just want to do an hour and then we're done. So, okay. So I think we've already shown that Tron is R1.32 and Zilliqa is one of the most popular one, which is R1.57. And it's growing steadily. And then Ton, it's 5 Rand 37, and then Cosmo is 341.78. Remember, the value fluctuates, and Metacash is at 14% at 0.15 cents, and ADA is 36.85, and then Wrapped Matic is 19 Rand 55 cents, and Tezos are sitting at 66 Rand 06 cents. So this is just an example of what I earned on the 9th of September, which is today. I got 2.86, which is you get 30% of the collection fees or the exchange fees if you are referring someone on your referral link once off. Every time they're doing exchange, you get a commission based on how much they are exchanging. You get 30% of the collection fees. Okay, so you can get paid on a monthly basis, but I'm going to run down just to explain it very short so that you're able to understand. So I did take pictures from the app itself. So, but I'm going to just summarize it very quickly. So you can sign up at Cexio and become an affiliate by clicking a link and downloading an app. I think I've already explained that. Then you can also share your link. And then what does it cost to participate? Participation in your affiliate program is free for everyone, so it doesn't cost you anything but to just download the app. Should I pass an identity verification to participate in the affiliate program? You can generate your personal referral link with an intro account. However, in order to manage and withdraw your earnings, you need at least your ID level of verification. And then how can I earn with the program? You'll earn from qualifying trades and purchases made by customers you refer to Cexio. The more your referrals trade on Cexio, the more income you receive, or you can just buy coins from your pockets. When will I get paid? You get your referral reward will automatically be added to your Cexio balance 30 days after a customer you referred performs the trade. So if someone is able to use my link, after 30 days, I'll get paid the 30% of their commission, of their transaction fees. And then where can I view my affiliate earnings? You can track the activity of your referral in the account the amount of your earning in the statistics tab. I'm still going to show you. You can find your payment history on the finance page into the transactions. How can I withdraw my earnings? You can withdraw your earnings to your debit or credit card linked to your Cexio account. Withdraw funds using a bank transfer or send funds to your Grill wallet if you are maybe overseas, or you can check out the dates on your limits and commission dates. How many people can I share my referral code with? There's no limit to the number of people you can refer, although Cexio reserves the right to alter or change the referral program rules at any time. What is the duration or the storage for referral cookies? Cookies are stored for 30 days. If someone clicks your personal referral link and makes a purchase within 30 days, you'll receive your referral reward. So what marketing methods are they are not allowed? I think we can go through this on the page. And then can I run to a PPC bid to promote Cexio? This is not really important. But the limits and commission, you can use Visa or MasterCards, and you can start from $20, which is plus or minus 300 rands. And they do explain this, the deposit commission, withdrawal, the fees, everything is there. Okay. What deposit and withdrawal method can my referral use? You can either transfer from one wallet to another using Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, whatever that you need to use. I think so far I've explained. I don't know if this video is gonna make it easier.
Okay, so leaders, I'm just going to log into my Cexio account because I want to see today what's happening with the staking wallet. So we're gonna zoom in and go to staking. And then you can see, leaders, it's going crazy. It's going crazy. We are staking. Every second money is printing. With Zilliqa, I'm still gonna buy those other cryptocurrencies. So you can say the daily rewards are fluctuating. That's the graph. And then you can see that the Zilliqa now that I'm staking is worth 2,000 plus US dollars. And you can see the rewards payments for the rewards that I've done previously, the dates and the amount of rewards that I received.
So I don't want to focus too much on the video, leaders. So I just want to come back to get if you understand so far. But James?
I do. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here's a quick question. Assuming I decide to stake Coin X because its value or it is growing steadily. 2 days down the line, its value starts going down. Is it possible to cut off that staking and buy another coin?
You can. For example, with me, I noticed that, let me just share and show you. With Zilliqa, it went down. I think it went down, if I'm not mistaken. With the value of Zilliqa, I think it went down. And then I was able to buy MetaCash. I think it was today. I took with the same money that is there. I was able to buy MetaCash. Can you see the number 5,769 MetaCash?
I can.
So yes.
You can stop the staking any moment you see the value like going south.
You can be able to buy any other coins as soon as you see that the value is going south. Anytime you feel that, no, I'm not happy with the value, then you can be able to buy any other coin that is there. Because you can see here on my portfolio, I've actually diversified the portfolio because I saw that Zilliqa was going a bit lower than it was before. But the thing is, there's a minimum that you can buy. Like for
Oh,
example, with MetaCash, you can for you to stake, it has to be. Let me just click this green thing where it was showing. I think I did a video earlier. You have to buy at least 10,000 MetaCash
okay.
for you to start staking. But when we check, let's just check so that the money that I'm saying does not confuse us. MetaCash, and I think it's okay. So you can see when you press buy, I just want to show you so that you're able to understand. So let's zoom in under the amount that you need to buy and say 10,000. So it's about 109.51 US dollar.
USD.
109.51 US dollar is how much? Let me just check. 109.51 USD to ZAR. That's plus or minus 1,556 rand 34. So it's plus or minus 1,006. So if I want, what I can actually do is you can actually go to your Cexio, and you can go to exchange. You see under deposit, under the green deposit, you can go to exchange, and then what you can do is you can exchange some of your ZIL to US dollar.
So that you can be able to buy
and
the
then
MetaCash.
you can be able to buy MetaCash so that you top up and you start staking MetaCash. For example, what I was intending to do is I wanted to exchange to go to my Trons and exchange my Trons for MetaCash. You see, so that at least I can start staking. I don't know, let's see, 100% exchange. Can you see as soon as I say exchange, they're showing there under convert amount, and then they're saying fees.
Yes,
and
that's
then they're
clear.
saying yes. Every time you exchange, the fees, the 30% goes to the person who referred you.
So
you
that is
press
what the fees is what others refer to as gas fee. Is it correct?
Yes. So I don't know if you can see now. I've exchanged my Tron, and I no longer have any Trons on my wallet.
I can, yes, that's, you are now in 0.00.
Now all my Trons have came here into MetaCash.
MetaCash.
Can you see?
Now,
yes.
Tell me, does the app tell you, for instance, I buy the 10,000 MetaCash, and then is there something I must click or press for the staking to kick in, or automatically I buy 10,000, then it starts staking?
You as soon as you find your US dollar wallet, you just need to then log into. There's another link that I sent you. Remember, I sent you 2 links.
Oh yeah,
you need to then log into your account using that link, sign up and log in, and then it's gonna take you through an option whereby it's going to say, let me just show you from the, it's gonna say staking. Let me just go back so that you're able to, let me log out so that you're able to see. So what you're gonna do is ask for the second link, and then you're gonna sign up. Once you've clicked the link that they sent you, the second one, I can resend it to you. You just going to okay. So let me just log in then so that it's easier.
It's okay, Stubuluza. My daughter is calling me now. It's 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, before you go,
Okay.
I'm currently going through a rough patch financially, but I'm I'm putting my plans together. I think before it's long, before October, I should be joining you. Yeah, if we
Okay,
are lucky,
okay.
if the we own things come through, then I should join you early. What is the story there? I got so discouraged every time I attend these things. It's another postponement. I don't know whether this is okay for your live recording, or maybe it's not because
Okay,
you're recording this.
let me just close the recording then. Thank you so much.
Please,
Okay, so let me just close the
please stop the
recording and
recording because it's going to be on YouTube.
okay, okay.
It's still
So thank you
recording.
so
It's
much for
it's still
watching.